I'm working on getting these under tank foam pads off. I got this one off. Came out really clean. I just used a scraper, plastic scraper, so I didn't mar up the tank to get this far. And then to get this residual glue off, I'm just using rubbing alcohol, and it softens it up and you're able to get it clean. So if anybody's going to be doing this to their tank, maybe this will be helpful to them. Just want to give a little background on these insulation pads that go underneath the tank. The material is EPDM, which is used in a lot of automotive applications. Supposed to be pretty sturdy stuff. One downside to EPDM is that you have to use certain types of glue to get them to adhere to another surface. And so in the background you see I'm going to be using this 3M90 max strength spray glue, which is supposed to be rated acceptable on EPDM products. One of the things you want to do is you want to clean both surfaces with isopropyl alcohol. It's not going to hurt the foam to clean the foam with it, and of course clean your tank. But I'm gonna have to figure out, since I'm using this spray, how I'm gonna apply it to the inside of the tank, because I don't want to overspray everywhere. So I'm probably going to end up using some sort of brush to apply it in the areas that I want it to go, and then I'll probably just spray the pads themselves. There's other glues out there that'll work, but this one was something I could find locally here around where I'm at, so that's why I decided to use it. But do your own research if you decide to do this project to your tank, but this is what I'm gonna do. All right, well, I got the new underneath tank insulation pads installed. It wasn't the easiest job. Could be because of the spray glue I'm using, but they're on there. I tried a couple different approaches with using a paintbrush to spread the glue. It worked okay, but I still had issues with it adhering everywhere. And I think probably I wasn't waiting long enough for the glue to tack up on, to get it to stick correctly. But I kind of waited a little bit longer as I went, and made sure that both glue surfaces were tacky before I tried to apply the foam to the tank, and that seemed to work better. So user error on my part, but they're on there, and for the first time ever doing it, I guess I'm happy with it. Better than what was on there, because my old ones were just pretty much dust, foam dust, just from age. So we'll see how it goes over time. But for right now, this will do.